Greetings RV enthusiasts! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets value at every turn. We're excited to unveil a Carfax one-owner 2014 Itasca Sunova 33C with just 37,000 miles. This 33-foot Class A gas motorhome, built on a dependable Ford F53 chassis, features the spacious 33C floor plan with 3 large slide-outs, a king bed upgrade, and sleeping for 4 in cozy command center style. Coated in Itasca's incredible black Garnet full-body paint package, this RV is a Garnet gem, powered by the legendary Ford V10. Join us for a thrilling tour to uncover every inviting detail of this weekend warrior masterpiece. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2014 Itasca Sunova 33C shines with bold sophistication. The black Garnet graphics package drapes this coach in deep, lustrous hues, turning heads at every campground or scenic pull-off. At 33 feet, it's perfectly sized for easy handling yet packed with space. Powered by a 6.8-liter Ford Triton V10 gas engine, it produces 362 horsepower and 457 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a TorqShift 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive for smooth, reliable performance. Aluminum 22.5-inch wheels and a heavy-duty Ford F53 RV chassis ensure durability and style. The exterior is loaded with features to elevate your adventures. Basement storage compartments around the entire exterior offer generous space for camping gear, outdoor toys, or weekend essentials. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch HD TV, stereo, and marine-grade speakers creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating. A power patio awning with LED lighting and slide-out toppers over all 3 slides craft a shaded, luxurious retreat. LCI electronic automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while a rear-view camera system with a 6-inch in-dash monitoring screen makes backing up a breeze. A 5,000-pound weight-distributing trailer hitch with 7-pin wiring adds towing versatility. Powering your getaways is effortless with this RV's robust systems. An Onan 5.5-kilowatt quiet gas generator with less than 100 hours of use delivers reliable power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with extension cord, 1,000-watt inverter, and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. A 10-gallon 110-volt or LP water heater with auto heater and heated holding tank compartment, plus dual roof-mounted ACS and a 35,000 BTU low-profile ducted furnace with thermostat control, keep you comfortable in any season. These systems make this Sunova a dependable choice for weekend warriors and beyond. Step inside, and the 33C floor plan unfolds as a cozy command center, perfect for couples or small families. 3 large slide-outs create a spacious interior that sleeps up to 4, ideal for those seeking luxury on a budget. The layout features an upgraded king bed in the rear master bedroom and a powered reclinable sleeper sofa in the front living area. The front living area is a welcoming hub with a powered reclinable sleeper sofa, Euro recliner, table with 4 chairs, and a 32-inch HD TV in a powered TV lift compartment, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. The solid surfaces and warm finishes create a home-like ambiance. The middle kitchen area is a culinary haven, designed for seamless meal prep. It boasts solid surface counters, a residential stainless steel sink with faucet, a gas oven and stovetop, a microwave, and a 4-door Norcold gas electric refrigerator and freezer, with ample space for weekend feasts. The nearby table with chairs ensures comfortable dining or planning adventures. The private bathroom is spa-inspired, featuring an oversized shower enclosure with glass door, skylight, power vent fan, toilet, sink, and vanity. A vented linen closet with washer and dryer hookups, washer and dryer available for an additional fee, adds convenience for longer trips. The rear master bedroom is a plush retreat, crafted for restful nights. The upgraded king bed, paired with a 24-inch HD TV, wardrobe closet, and tons of drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. The king bed and reclinable sleeper sofa provide comfortable sleeping for up to 4, ideal for weekend getaways or small family adventures. Let's spotlight what makes this RV a value luxury standout. The 33C floor plan, with 3 slide-outs, offers a spacious interior for 4. The Ford V10 engine and F53 chassis deliver reliable gas-powered performance, while the Onan generator with under 100 hours supports off-grid fun. Premium features like the king bed upgrade, black garnet paint, and exterior entertainment center add style, while the hydraulic jacks and washer-dryer hookups boost practicality. Picture yourself cruising in this 2014 Itasca Sunova 33C, exploring coastal highways, mountain campgrounds, or lakeside retreats with your loved ones. Imagine preparing meals in the solid-surface kitchen, lounging by the 32-inch TV, or sinking into the king bed after a day of adventure. Make this garnet gem yours. This 2014 Itasca Sunova 33C is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed gas motorhome with low mileage. Reach out at 864-2609276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2014 Itasca Sunova 33C. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.